Okay, we'll start with the Mustard R43 size 10 dry fly hook. Dyneema tying thread. This is my Delta Wing caddis. Interesting pattern. We go back to here just with a foundation of tying thread and get rid of that. And what we need, this is super fine dubbing. We need a long fibre dubbing for this. Just correct my tying thread. We need this dubbing spread all around the hook shank. Take another bit there and put that on top. Like so, and then we can just go back. That's good, and then we go forward. Good. Then we have some open cell foam. This is just from packaging. And we cut a piece about the length of the hook shank, and then we tack this in and we go back. You can hear the bubbles in it. Then I'll move this a little ways in the tying thread for the first segment, and I just colour my tying thread. Then take a dubbing brush and we just pull the fibres over the foam body. Make sure it's covering most of the body all the way around. And we just go forward, making the segments. That's good, and then we take everything back over the body and we just pull off. So it's like a just breaking out of its shuck. You can see that. Let me just brush that back and go in a little bit. Then what we need is a strand of antron body wool, and we just tack that in. We fold that back like so. This is a tiny bit of blue winged olive, superfine dubbing this. Go forward. And we just want to brush that dubbing out a little bit. It mixes with the other. Check our... That's good. Bunch of deer hair, which we measured the wing for. And then we just go around twice, tighten that up. We lift everything back. Go forward. Make a whip finish just to hold things in place. Separate the head. From the wing. Like so, gather as much as you possibly can. And then we'll trim that off. We want it to push a little bit of water. We'll trim that off. Cut the stragglers there. Just pull them off. And we take our antron. Try and get it all with you. Pull that over. That's us. And I'll put a whip finish in there. Tighten it up, give it one more. Trim that off. Go to the front and we trim off our antron. Make the wing a delta wing. A little bit of trimming to do. And that's it. That's the finished delta wing caddis. If you enjoy the videos, please like, share, subscribe, and thanks for watching.